Now, for those of y'all who have been looking for the book, all right, this is the UNA Beginner Law book. Okay. Now, I spoke about our God and what our God says that we don't allow in our bodies or in our vessels. Well, this book has maxims of law. And if you know what maxims of law are, you know that they are the highest laws. Okay. All courts have to respect maxims of law. There are maxims of law all throughout this book. There's 200 and something of the maxims. They're coming straight from the Bible. So those of y'all who know, you know that the maxims of law are very high. And this is why we tell you so often about the hierarchy of law chart, which is in this book as well. Okay. So, hierarchy of laws, you get right here, you got your maxims of law right here under natural laws. Maxims of law. What is the maxims or laws of maxim? Well, these are laws that come directly from the Bible. Okay. In all courts across this planet, have to respect laws that are coming directly from the Bible. You got to learn how to start standing on them. So the beginner law book, it's got again the hierarchy of law. It's got the universal laws in here. All right. It also has the vibratory frequency chart. Very important. We listen. Also, it's got the societal totem pole as well as the civilization cycle. What we want you to do is take these charts, put them up on your walls, put them on your refrigerator, put them on your mirrors. This is why we give you extra charts. Now, most of these are already in the book, but we don't want you tearing the book up. We give you these extra ones so that you can put them up on your wall. All right. Frame them or do whatever you need to do, but let them be in your face so that they can become a part of you. Very important. The UNA Beginner Law book, you can get either the ebook, all right, or you can get the physical copy. You can find us on UNAUniversity.com, or find the link in the bio, all right. You can get this now for